Welcome. In this video I'm going to be removing this cone from this bicycle axle. So this cone is on here super tight, and I do have a cone wrench that I can stick on here, and I have a wrench here, and this is 15 and this is 17, and I've been wrenching on this and it just doesn't seem to budge, and I feel like I'm going to bend this cone wrench. So instead what I'm going to do is I have two drill bits here, and I'm going to put these on the flats of the cone. And then I'll take this adjustable wrench and I'll tighten it on there. I could use 3 or 4 hands here, but I'll make do with what I have. Okay, so I have that on there now, and I have turned this to be as tight as I can. You could also maybe use some channel locks, but that could be at a weird angle. And I'll stick this on here, and I'll go really tight. And actually this doesn't feel super stable, so what I'm going to do is get a 17mm socket. Okay, so I got a 17mm 6-sided socket here. It's 1/2 inch drive. Okay, we're using the wrench. I don't have a socket that deep. Okay, I'm making progress here. That thing is on there tight. There we go. Got it loosened up. So that's a tip you can use to loosen up a cone on a bicycle axle that's really tight. So that's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.